Hey everybody, it's Nat coming to you with another video. In this video, I will be opening up my Boxy Charm box for the month of March. So if you're interested in seeing what's in this box, please stay tuned. Alright y'all, here's the box, and they put this sticker over it. This is gonna be a unboxing and a little rant because I'm upset. But I'm gonna start opening the box as I talk. You all, I live in Illinois, and I don't know what it is with Boxy Charm, but it gets to me so late in the month. So by the time I get mad, it's like so many reviews that are up, which is fine because I'm gonna still put my review up. But I don't understand how some people get theirs on the 10th or the 11th and I don't get mad until like the 19th or the 20th. It aggravates me so bad. But nevertheless, I do enjoy their products, and I'm going to keep my subscription with them. So the theme for this month is vacation. And I need a vacation. I need a vacation. This box retails for $21 a month. You can cancel at any time. And I think once you start getting your products in your boxes or whatever, you will you won't cancel, because this stuff, and I love every box I've gotten so far. I've loved. It may be you get 4 to 5 full size items, and it may be one item I don't like, but that doesn't happen often. So let's see what's in this month's box. The first thing I have is a blush by Pretty Vulgar. It's a pretty color. I don't know. See, there we go. It's a pretty color. It's like a pinky color. Yeah, that looks alright. Can you see that, y'all? Now I see why they do the whole hand thing. This is a pretty light blush color. I'm starting to kind of get into blushes or whatnot, so I can see myself using this. Oh, by the way, this retails for $26. Okay, and it's in the color Hush Blush. Okay. Alrighty. Next is the Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara. I'm always up for a good mascara. Oh, this is big. Let's see how the brush looks. Not bad. Not bad at all. Actually don't have any lashes on now. I just have mascara on my lashes, my favorite mascara. But this right here retails for $20. So check it out. Alrighty, the next thing is the South Main 3 Eye Gel Pack. It said reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, and moisturize eye area. I need this, honey. Right after this video. Right after this video. It said when you apply it, thoroughly cleanse eye area. Apply this product on the eye. Leave for 30 minutes to reduce puffiness and dark circles. Use promptly after opening for best results. Use 3 consecutive days. Okay. I like this. I like this. The next, that retails for $10. That's not bad. Not bad at all. The next thing are these brushes by Vintage Cosmetics. Let me open these bad boys up. These 3 shadow brushes. Nice. Soft, fluffy. Not bad. These retail for, oh, $23 for all 3. And it says step 1 for the money, step 2 for the shadow, and it says step 3, go girl go. Alright, alright. And the last thing, oh, this is Pure. This is an eyeshadow palette by Pure. Look like maybe Boxy Charm did something with them. Oh. I'm like, why I can't get this open? Oh, this is pretty. This is pretty. Okay, here are the colors. I hope. Okay. Yes. Yes, lighting and camera. Show those colors. Yes. Let me swatch a couple. That's pretty. These feel like they may have a little fallout, but that's okay, because usually I try to do my eye look first before I put on my foundation. I just learned the hard way. These are some nice swatches. Alright, Pure and Boxy Charm. Nice collaboration. Nice. That retails, that eyeshadow palette retails for $36. Interesting, huh? Between the eyeshadow palette, the mascara, and the under eye gel pads, the makeup brushes, and the blush, I love all of them. I'm going to use all of them, and it may be coming up in my next makeup look. So, well, in a future makeup look. So, watch out for that. So, like I said, I overall love Boxy Charm. They always come through, honey. And again, it's a $21 a month subscription. You can cancel at any time. But they really have nice products. And I just say, hey, nice job, Boxy Charm. Thank you for tuning in to my video. Please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Please smash that notification bell so you can be part of the notification squad. And until next time, people, peace and blessings. Bye.